Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy The Ghettoographer, aka Pastor Tech, coming back at you with another video, and I'm talking about another unboxing video. And today I'm unboxing something that my wife got for me as a present, and it's the DJI Osmo Mobile 3 Combo Phone Stabilizer. It's a gimbal phone stabilizer. It's a gimbal, and my wife got it for me as a present, so we're going to do an unboxing of this. I've never had one of these, and I'm excited to see what's in here and start using it. And also, I got me a new unboxing knife. See that? Pretty unboxing knife. And we're going to unbox this right now. Let's get to it. Now, one thing I like about this, the presentation is really good. Nice box. Also, my wife paid about $130 for this for me. Here we go. Uh-oh, gotta get a tab. Here we go. Yeah, got that. Alright. Gotta take out. Now this is nice. It comes with the gimbal. Comes in this nice DJI Osmo case. Maybe it's a hard case, but we'll see what's in there. Set that to the side. Let's get the rest of the stuff out. Comes with another little box. I'm gonna put this aside. Let's see what's in here. Alright, it comes with it. The charger. USB to USB-C. That's good. Some little, guess this is tabs to put on the feet. What's this? I think it's trolling me. This thing is trolling me. Let's see if we can without breaking it. I don't want to break nothing. Alright, here we go. We can fold it open. This helps us out right here. Okay. Here we go. Alright, this is the legs to put it on. That's pretty nice. Smells good. So you put it, screw it on here, you put it on it, and you go put it on the table or something. Stand it up. Got a nice handle. Also, what is this? Oh, comes with also a bag. Oh, nice. So you can take this. You can put it in the bag. Well, maybe not. Almost dropped it. Not good. Let's see if it goes on this way. No, I guess this not for that. I'm guessing you could take this out of here and it fits in here, so we won't have to carry in here. But I think I would rather carry in here first than carry in here. Okay, now let's get to the main event. Put this over here. Let's get to the main event. We got some books. Tell I'm excited. I'm not normally do a little bit. Got some books in here, how to operate it, your warranty and stuff like that. So let's get to the gimbal. Let's see how that looks. I like the presentation. The presentation is nice. Ah, here go the gimbal. It comes with a gel pack in here, keep everything fresh. But this is pretty. It is a pretty soft, hard case. The back and front is covered with some durability. So when you put it in here, if you drop it, it won't scratch up nothing. And here it goes. This is how it looks. Let's see, does it have any juice? It has some juice. Okay. Some things you have to do on here. Okay, so you can it's a Bluetooth device. Alright, so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna figure out how to get this to open up, and we're gonna try to put my phone on it and just give a little preview of what it can do. Alright, go get a drink, and I'll be back in a couple of minutes. Yo, what's up everybody? Your boy is back, and it took me a minute to get it activated. I had to download the app and do all that, but I got it activated and it looks pretty well. I'm gonna take this is the stand for it, so you can get a better view. It opens up and I can set it down here so you can get a better view at it moving. See, it's moving by itself. I've never used one of these, so this is gonna be my first time ever using one of these, and I downloaded the actual app to it. I don't know if I'm going to use this app at this moment, but I will see once I start using it. It was the DJI app. It connected everything to it. But it's saying the camera failed to start. I don't know why the camera failed to start. But as you can see, you can move it around. And this is fitting in my Galaxy S20 Ultra pretty well. It's balanced. I can move it up. I can move it down and move it up. So far, I'm liking it. It's going to be weird to use. I've never used one, but I can't wait to. Use it. It looks pretty decent. I don't know if you can see the buttons. Let me get the phone off of here so I can show you a little bit of buttons layout. The button layout. Put this down. If you can see the buttons, you have your up, you have your down, you have your side to side on here, the buttons, and then you have your zoom. When it's connected through their app, you have a zoom in, zoom out. You can actually take a picture with their app, so you don't have to touch it. You can just take a picture of the app and things like this. And when you're done, you hit the button, it turns it off, and what you do, fold it this way, you bring it down, you can take this off and it folds right back up. So this is my first impression of the DJI Osmo Mobile 3 combo 3-axis gimbal stabilizer for mobile phone. Like I said, I have a S20 Ultra, and it held it up there pretty well. Now I'm gonna have to do a small review on this because I've never used one. This is new to me, but I want to thank my wife for getting it for me so I can use it. And my first impression is I really don't have one. I like it, but I'm gonna have to learn how to use it, so I can't even give a rating on my first impression because I've never used something like this before. But I think it's good. I think for the presentation, I think it was an A. I love this the little stand that comes with it. So I don't know what rating to give it as a preview. I give it a B right now until I get to learn how to use it and see how the app used, because when I put the app on, it said it couldn't launch the camera. I did have to do, the reason why it took me so long to get back, and after I edited the video, you won't know how long it took, because I had to update the actual firmware to this, and that took a little bit. So everything that it comes with the charger. Well, it didn't come with a charger, but it came with the charger cord. Now that's I'm a ding it for that because it should have came with a charging brick, but it didn't come with a charging brick, so I will ding it for that. As of right now, I think it is a solid B until I can get a chance to use it and to make videos with it and see what type of content I can make with it. So I'm gonna have to do a small review on this one after I have a week or so to just use it and see if I can learn how to use it in a sufficient manner. So this is your boy, the Ghettoographer, doing a preview, first local preview of the DJI Osmo Mobile 3 Combo 3-axis gimbal stabilizer for cell phones. This is your boy, the Ghettoographer, and I'm out. Peace and thank you. And oh, by the way, before we cut off, please give a thumb up and subscribe to the channel so we can grow the community. I'm into photography, I'm into gadgets, and I'm trying to get the community to grow. So please give us a thumbs up, and hopefully I earned your subscription today. You have a good day. This is your boy, the Ghettoographer, and I'm out. Peace.